Are you facing Android battery sudden drop to zero and willing to know why? If so, then this video guide will help to troubleshoot the battery drain issue on Android and you can access your device easily. So let's go ahead. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Check your charger. Your mobile phone battery drains fast due to your bad or faulty charger. In the charger, you have to check the cables are working properly or not. If it's defective, then change the cable and check for the error. Method 2. Change settings of screen brightness. Follow the steps, press the menu option. Now select System Settings from list. Next, tap on Display option under Settings. Here choose Brightness option. Then uncheck Auto option, reduce the brightness. Method 3. Check battery draining apps. Several apps can make your phone's battery die. If you want to know the apps causing the problem, go to Settings, Device, Battery or Settings, Power, then Battery Use to see the list of the app and battery usage. Method 4. Switch off mobile data entirely. Due to mobile data on always, your Android phone's battery suddenly drops to zero. So it's better to disable mobile data completely. This will help you a lot in improving the battery performance. Method 5. Disable every connection manually. When not using any of the connections like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or GPS, then disable them all. Enabling the features every time will eat up your battery. So disable all connections by enabling airplane mode. Method 6. Remove unwanted widgets from the home screen. Pre-installed apps like weather apps, news app come with widgets, and they are placed on the home screen. The widgets can drain your phone's battery fast. So remove all of them from home screen. Method 7. Google Play service drains battery. Android phone has Google Play services, and this is yet another reason for consuming lots of battery on your phone. Go to Settings, Applications, All, Google Play Services. Then click on Clear Cache option. Method 8. Turn off notification. Few apps that demand permission automatically to send notifications. But turning off notifications can help you to fix the battery dying issue. Go to Settings, Apps, check Less Usage app, uncheck Show Notifications. Method 9. Replace the old battery, if possible. When your phone's battery becomes old, then also it show poor performance. In that case, you should change your battery to new one if possible, as nowadays, non-removable batteries are available. Method 10. Reduce screen timeout. Your phone's screen display is one of the biggest reasons that drains your battery fast. But you can change its longevity and make it low. The option Screen Timeout or Sleep Settings let you set lowest value. Method 11. Switch on Power Save mode. For those users who are using Android 5.0 and later, enabling Power Saver mode will help to increase the battery life of your phone. To enable, go to Settings, Power and toggle the Enable option. Method 12. Stop vibrating your phone. If your phone is in ringing mode, then there is no need to set vibration along with it. Because this also somewhere eat up your phone's battery as well. Go to Settings, then Sound and uncheck Vibrate for calls. Method 13. Turn off GPS. When there is no need for your GPS service, it's better to turn it off. Obviously, there is no need for GPS every time, so when not required, switch off the feature. By going to Settings, Location Services and turn off GPS. Method 14. Turn off Bluetooth. Nowadays, Bluetooth feature is not used by users, but yes, if it is enabled, then your battery will drain fast without your knowledge. Check whether the Bluetooth feature is turned off or not to save battery life. Method 15. Turn off Wi-Fi when not in use. We use Wi-Fi at office or somewhere else when required. But when you don't need it, it's better to turn it off and make the thing simple. Just go to Wi-Fi, turn it off to save the extra battery life on phone. Method 16. Avoid keeping weather updates of various cities. Many of them love to see temperatures of other cities, but this weather app can contribute to heavy battery draining of battery. So you should remove those apps to avoid draining issue fast. Method 17. Charge between 40% and 80%. It is said that if you want your Android phone's battery life to extend longer, then you need to charge your phone when it comes to 40%. Always charge your phone between 40% and 80% and avoid draining it completely.